are doing a prank video.
Another one. Wait, how much prank videos did we already do?
We didn't know, but I did a bunch of pranks in the videos.
Yeah.
Ha. Okay, so your teachers today are me, Natalie, and then
Julia, me.
and our father Alvaro is absent, gone, poof.
Working upstairs, so this is why it's a prank, because he doesn't know we're doing this.
Yeah. Okay. So even
I wonder if he's going to get
is
mad at
a
us.
prank video,
But still math.
we still have a word problem. Yeah.
Just one. Not so
Okay.
bad, is
Yeah.
it?
It's not bad. Okay, so
Remember to stop the video and do it yourself first.
okay, Julia, can you? I'm Daddy. Can you read this word problem?
Okay. Natalie made a few pranks in some of the videos. Julia helped Natalie in one of the videos to do a prank. In all, there were 7 pranks. How many pranks did Natalie make first?
Good job, Julia. That was really good reading. Okay, so Natalie made a few pranks in some of the videos.
So
That would be X. Okay.
Yeah.
Then Julia helped Natalie in one of the videos to do a prank.
One video is this one. Hey!
So that would be plus 1.
Yeah, 1.
Then in all there were 7. So that would equal 7.
7.
A very good number.
Yeah, 7.
At least I think that's my dad's favorite number. Okay, let's say what that is. Okay. Natalie, can you show it?
Yeah, sure. I will
Definitely solve it. Okay, so I love having the plus 1 go here and as minus 1. So now we have x equals 7 minus 1. I want this to be short because I don't want a big, gigantic problem. And then, so, Joy, what's 7 minus 1?
6.
Good. Okay, so now we have x equals 6. There.
Yep.
Does that work?
Yes.
So, 6 plus 1, what does that equal?
It equals 7.
Good. Okay,
7.
good. Now let's do this. Go here.
Okay, now we are going to do our favorite shape. Since we're doing geometry next. We're doing geometry for kids. Next, we're going to do like 2 more videos and then geometry.
Yeah, something like that.
With a new
So,
theme song.
I really love hexagons, personally. So
Hey, you guessed mine.
Oh, wait, seriously? Yours is also a hexagon?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is like a flat, weird hexagon. Now I'm going to color it in. Blah, blah, blah.
Scribble, scribble, scribble. Scribble's all good.
Okay. Now,
Now I'm going
Juliet,
to do
you draw
mine.
yours.
Since you guessed it and told everyone that was my... Okay, so I'm going to do my best. This. I don't know if that's the worst. Okay, that's the worst pentagon I've ever said.
Okay.
Well,
That's more like a
semiton.
Yes, 7 sides, so, but whatever. Let's just
Semiton.
Okay, that
I'll
is
name it a
officially...
semiton.
Okay.
I like
I
semitons.
think there's already a name for it, but I forgot.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Math is the best.
Hi.
What's going on?
We're doing
Wow,
nothing.
what are you doing to my computer?
Nothing.
What? What is this?
Nothing.
We'll make it the next video.
You're making a video without me?
No, we're coloring in the next video.
Oh, you're just putting the graphics in?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, alright. But this is recording. You were making a video. Is this a prank video?
Send!
Alright,
Segment!
well, okay. Oh, you sent it. You put it in YouTube. Oh boy. Alright, okay, well, say goodbye to everyone, I guess.
Bye! Prank, prank, prank!
Alright. Well,
Okay.
I'll watch it later. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye!
Hope you liked the prank video.
This is a really good prank, and I didn't know we were doing it. Bye!